Hi, it's Mike Smith, Moose from the Outer Banks Realty Group and mooseobx.com. Today we are in Corolla at 843 Whalehead Drive. The house is called Whale Deserved. There's lots of space inside and there is a lot of space outside. Close to the beach too. We're going to see all of it right now. It's in the Whalehead Club section of Corolla, built in 1997, 3,383 square feet, 5 beds, 4 baths, and we're right downstairs. This room is off the pool and volleyball court area. We're going to see those things in just a few minutes, but full-size refrigerator, freezer, got a snack bar area, kitchenette, microwave. Just a great space to spend after you get out of the pool or come back from the beach. All right, laundry. We have a shared bathroom with the first of our 5 bedrooms. This one just happens to have a foosball table in it, just for fun. But yeah, this is one of the 5 bedrooms. This particular bedroom, 2 sets of bunk beds in it right now. You can sleep a lot of folks in Whale Deserved. All right, back out into our ground floor room, but let's zoom upstairs. Now this would be where the main entrance is. So we have a nice sitting area in the main entrance. There's the door to the main entrance. You're going to see a little bit more of that in a bit. 3 bedrooms on this level, including the master bedroom. So we're going to swing into the master bedroom right now. I love this graphic that they have on the wall here. A nice little saying about being at the ocean. Footprints in the sand. Deck outside too. I did promise lots of deck space. We're going to get to that too. This is the master, so there is a private bathroom attached to this bedroom. Back out into our sitting area. And another one of the bedrooms, this one also has 2 sets of bunk beds. So you've got a big family or you've got 2 or 3 families together, plenty of space inside Whale Deserved. Back out into the sitting area and a little better view of our main entrance. Nicely done. I love the way that they've done the wood wainscoting here. The knotty pine reminds me of those old beach cottages. All right, so this is the third of the 3 bedrooms on this level. Remember, a 5-bedroom house, 4 full bathrooms. This is a nice sized bedroom. Got a queen size bed in here currently, a little desk reading area, so there's some privacy here. And there is a shared bathroom. Now, there's the door to the bathroom right there. The bathroom is shared with the sitting area, so it's a semi-private bathroom. Very nice the way that this house is laid out, though. It's very convenient for the large groups that love to come to this house year after year. There are families that plan their vacations around coming to this particular house year after year, and they are all welcome. All right, here's the main entrance I was telling you about just a few minutes ago. It's on the same side of the house where we came in and went downstairs. So if you were coming into the main entrance, if you were having some friends over, this is their view coming inside. But we gotta go and check out this deck area. A lot of deck space on this house, so I can come right out of here. I got a nice hammock, but there's some deck beyond that hammock. We're gonna swing around and we're gonna get a really good view. Well, hold on a second. More deck to look at and another hammock over there. But we're going to get a really good view of our private swimming pool, gunite swimming pool, and our backyard that features a volleyball court and a nice barbecue grill. Families are really going to enjoy this house. In fact, the same families are renting this house year after year. And they're spending a lot of time upstairs in this reverse floor plan home. This is our kitchen, living room, dining area, and it is spacious. With a couple of different seating areas for eating, we have the bar area in this upgraded kitchen, stainless steel appliances, and lots of room. You could have a couple of people in here preparing meals, hanging out at the bar. Then this ship's watch dining area. Look at all the natural light that comes in, and the views out those windows are gorgeous. Another smaller sitting area, dining area. This is just a great space for folks to hang out at the end of the day, watch some television. You slip outside on the deck. We're going to see some amazing views outside on that deck in a few minutes. Now, there is a bathroom upstairs. You'll notice this is a full bath because it is shared with this bedroom. Similar in size to the bedroom that is right below it, same size as the one downstairs. This one has another interesting feature, though, a little different. There's a door, and this door leads outside. Got to go out there and see what's going on because there is more deck space. So you go out of this bedroom and you have your own little private deck area. And, you know, before I get to the private deck area, I just love the views, the panoramic views from Whale Deserved. And there's our private little deck area. Stick a nice chaise lounge out here to catch some afternoon sun. But then this deck snakes on around the house. You get a glimpse of our swimming pool again, more panoramic views. You can start to sneak some views of the Atlantic Ocean just over the way. And we're close enough, you could just about see the Monteray Shores Plaza and the Timbuck shopping center. That's just a walk or a bike ride away. Let's continue out our deck, though, as we go toward the back of the house and catch more of the panoramic views from Whale Deserved. This is a fabulous deck space to spend some time on. You're just 3 lots from the Atlantic Ocean, which you can see right over the way there. And it's only about a 2 or 3 minute walk from Whale Deserved to the beach. Gonna pan over and you'll see your beach path. That's only about 3 houses up from Whale Deserved. So literally a 2 to 3 to 4 minute walk to the beach. Hey, you're on vacation, you might take a slower stroll, right? More deck area. I'm telling you, I said lots of space inside and lots of space outside. And those views. The views from this house are just fantastic. Whale Deserved. 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, consistent rental income, over $58,000 in advertised income in both 2018 and 2019. Whale Deserved is priced at $649,900. I'd love to get you in to see this house. This could be your beach house. You've seen it virtually. Now let's schedule a showing. All of my contact information is at mooseobx.com. For the Outer Banks Realty Group, I'm Mike Moose Smith. Thanks for watching.